So today we're going to have spaghetti alle vongole, right? So the water's boiled and I'm salting it.
What does alle vongole mean?
Vongole means, well, normally I use the proper vongole, but they didn't have them at the market, fresh at the market today.
Yeah.
So I'm using, I guess they call these vongole too, but to me they're not the right ones. But anyway.
This is the Australian version of vongole.
Well, no, it's just you buy fresh whatever's going.
Okay.
So today that's what was going. So anyhow, and they promised me at the market no sanding. We shall see. Anyway, so the garlic I'm going to put in hot oil. I'll turn that on. Nice olive oil. Decent amount. So the garlic I'm going to put in, I'm just going to cut it in half because it's not going to stay. I just want the garlic to flavour the oil. So now I'm just going to show you how quick this is going to be. I'm going to put a little pasta in. I've salted the water. Salted the water and parsley and chop. Put the garlic in. When the garlic's nice and brown, cut up some chilli. Now I have no idea how hot these are going to be, but we like it hot, so it doesn't matter. Done their job. Leave them there for now. I'm going to put chilli and the parsley stalks. A little bit of parsley. A little bit of parsley here.
Oh, angry.
Okay?
Angry.
Very angry. So, it'll get angry when the mussels go in, or the vongole. So, blister a tomato. Now I'm going to throw the mussels in.
No. Are they, do we call them pippies?
We call them pippies.
In Australia?
In Australia.
Right, okay.
So I'm going to throw those in. That's going to be even angrier.
So can I come down now?
Sorry?
Can I come down?
No, not yet. No. Now, I'm going to put a top on that. Now just turn that on low. It won't take long for the pippies to open. As you can see, I didn't put any salt in that
Yet.
yet.
Oh, that means you're going to.
Hey,
That means you're going to.
I'm going to taste it first.
Okay. You haven't told us about the beach.
Well, I was saying to you earlier that when we were kids we'd go to the beach and we'd just go maybe 3 metres into the water and start digging down, and we'd have...
Oh, so they actually live under the sand?
They live under the sand, so
Okay.
we'd go with one of these,
Yeah.
and we'd fill it up.
Oh.
And then when we'd get home at night, we would have spaghetti alla vongole. And it really doesn't take long for the mussels to spit out the sand. From what I can remember.
Mm.
So there.
And you don't want me to come down and have a look?
Well, you can. All right, we'll bring the camera down.
And are they going to open?
Yes, they're all opening.
Oh.
From top.
Oh, yeah, well now I can't
Oh.
see them.
Like so.
Mm.
Now, when I took the pippies or the vongole out of the packet that I bought, I put them in here and then soaked them in water, and then put a little bit of salt in, because the fishmonger said that they were de-sanded, so there wasn't any sand. But if you look in the bottom here, you see that there's sand in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Well, you'll
That's-
never be able to get rid of all this.
Well, yeah, you should. But that's insurance for me, because I hate having sand in anything really.
Mm.
I've crushed the garlic that I put in to flavour the oil, and now I'm going to put it back in with the vongole. Right. So pasta's almost ready. Just for garnish, and just plate out. Another couple of minutes. So at this stage I'm going to put about half a glass of white wine in them. Just half a glass.
Have you salted the pippies?
No.
You're not going to?
I don't think, well, I should taste it first. It really shouldn't need it. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Not much.
Oh, it's study worth worrying about.
No, it is.
Yeah.
It is. So now I'm going to take the pastel out. And straight in. With the pippies. So, now they've all opened. So virtually all I'm doing now is cooking in the pasta with the flavours of the pippies and the garlic and the chilli. Like so. So, do 2 plates. So, now, this would be a nouvelle cuisine size, right? And that's all you would get.
That's yours.
So, because my camera directorman's a guts, I'm going to give him more. And I've got to tell you that the sauce here that the pippies are in would be wonderful.
Well, it smells fabulous, but all I can smell is garlic.
You'll be able to taste it.
Uh-huh. Are we having the whole lot?
Of course. So, so that's quick and very easy. Very, very easy. There. And there. Now, if you wanted to have this as an entree, you could put it in a smaller bowl and have it as a starter. My favourite trattoria in Rome that I go to a lot, I love it. They would have, if you ordered this spaghetti like this, they'd come out in a really large bowl, put it in the centre of the table, and you just help yourself with all your friends. And that, you know, is virtually that, you know. So you could have some crusty bread with it that I bought this morning from the bakery at the Melbourne market. I had a bit of a go at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2 each, like so. Now that took all of 20 minutes to accomplish these two beautiful dishes. Now, I want to come down with the camera and just have a look.
Could I do that?
You can?
No. Could I cook that?
Yes, you could. Well, you saw how I did it. It was so easy.
Oh, no, but I saw how you did the eggplant, and that wasn't easy. But
You know, Mark, you are just unbelievable when it comes to cooking. You know, you're just too much.
oh, I'm coming down now.
Let's enjoy. Cut! There.